little rays of sunshine, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, what's up? I'm Rai. Thank you so much for watching. So today I did a first impressions on this new palette right here by Colourpop. It is the Mar palette. I also got the Soul palette in the mail as well, but I decided I'm going to use the Mar palette in this video, and then I'll do a separate video for the Soul palette. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first I'm going to prime my eyes with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 04. I've never used this before, but I ordered it along with the foundation. And I wanted to order the translucent powder, but they were out of stock, so I still have to pick that one up. So I'm going to take the Mar palette and I'm just going to go in with this color right here in my transition. This is just a relatively clean brush, just to make sure there are no harsh lines or edges. Now I'm going to take this green color right here and I'm just going to put that like on the inner portion of my eye. I don't like this brush for that. This one's kind of pressed harder. And then I want to take this middle color right here and just kind of put that on the middle portion of my eye. I'm not really sure where I'm going with this, but I just want that green to kind of fade into that blue. And then I'm going to take this color on the end and just kind of pop it on the outer corner of my eye. Oh wow, that's really pigmented. I'm going to also take that and just kind of blend here. Go back into that middle color. Gridlock, I think it is. I never know how Colourpop does their the names of their shadows. It's really pretty. I'm going to go back in with that first color, this one, Boozy. I think what I'm going to do now is take this color on my outer portion of the lower lash line. And on the inner portion, I kind of want to use this one right here. That's not showing up the way I want it to. Try a different brush. I'm just going to take this color right here. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. It's like a peachy. Yes, very tropical. Exactly what I'm going for. So there was a little bit of fallout, but not too bad. So I'm gonna go do my other eye off of camera and I will be back. So this is what the eyes look like. I absolutely am so obsessed with how this eye look came out, and I'm just gonna put the rest of my makeup on and we can chat about the palettes. I did get the Soul one as well. I didn't use any of these shadows on my eyes today, so I probably will do a whole nother video on just the Soul palette. So here is the finished look. So I am so impressed with how those eyeshadows performed on my eyes. I felt like they blended out really nicely. They're pretty pigmented. The only one that I had an issue with was that green one. I felt like it was a little less pigmented than I expected it to be, but overall, like, so far so good. And I felt like my eyes just came out really nice and like tropical and like summery looking. So if you've been looking at this palette, I definitely recommend you picking it up. It's $12. It comes with 9 shadows and a mirror, so great deal. It's great to travel with because it's so small and like compact, and it comes with a mirror, so I'm definitely going to be taking this on vacation with me. I felt when I opened this up, it gave me Kylie Cosmetics Blue Honey vibes. So I don't know if you have that palette, let me know if it's similar to like this one. And yeah, I mean, so far so good. So after seeing how this one performed, I cannot wait to try out the Soul one next, and I will put a video using that probably sometime next week. My schedule's been a little crazy because, well, with YouTube, because I've kind of been slacking a little bit. I haven't been home much. I've been kind of doing things that I normally wasn't doing before. So I feel like I've been kind of slacking on my YouTube schedule. So I'm really sorry about that. I'm going to try to get better at that and really upload at least 2 to 3 times a week. So yeah. Alright, my little rays of sunshine, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next from me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave and hit that little bell notification to be notified every time I upload so you don't miss a video. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!